Imagine being so good at racing that you win 9 times in a single season, only to have your celebratory moments turn into a series of comical mishaps. That's exactly what 19-year-old Connor Zilisch has been dealing with, and his latest incident at Gateway has him questioning his celebratory skills. Back in August, Zilisch took a nasty tumble off a car in Victory Lane at Watkins Glen, resulting in a broken collarbone. This fall put a damper on his usual exuberance, and ever since, he's been taking extra precautions during his victory celebrations. For instance, at Portland, he opted to crawl out through the roof hatch rather than the window, and after slipping on the window net at the Glen, he decided to tuck it safely inside the car. But here's where it gets controversial. Despite his caution, Zilisch's latest win at Gateway, which also secured him the regular season title, ended in another unexpected twist. After crossing the finish line, he slid his number 88 JR Motorsports Chevrolet down the front stretch, coming dangerously close to a cameraman. Then, while attempting a series of burnouts, he accidentally backed his car into the wall. The finale? A slide down the windshield and hood, which unfortunately resulted in a torn Firesuit. I actually thought of that when I was up there, the slide, and I actually ripped my Firesuit, Zilisch admitted during the post-race press conference. I guess I just can't celebrate. I should just get out of the car and sit on the ground, because everything I do just seems to go to hell. Yeah, I gotta figure out what to do. I was just sitting up there. It looked like an easy way down, and I didn't think I would get hurt doing that. My idea, but poorly executed. Despite the mishap, Zilisch remains optimistic about his celebratory methods. And this is the part most people miss. Zilisch's ability to laugh at himself and keep things light, even in the face of minor setbacks, is a testament to his character and resilience. It's this kind of attitude that makes him a fan favorite and a rising star in the NASCAR Xfinity series. What do you think? Should Zilisch stick to more traditional celebrations? Or is his unique approach part of what makes him stand out? Share your thoughts in the comments below.